Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So China recently put out a statement saying that it will defend or protect the interests of Chinese companies in Jamaica. So the US has stated that they are concerned about the China's influence in Jamaica, and in particular China's interest in the port of Kingston. So China has put out a statement saying it will defend its interests in Jamaica. So we are going to give you more information on this. Now, the Port of Kingston is one of the largest ports in the Caribbean. Because of Jamaica's geographical location to the Panama Canal, the Port of Kingston is very important. It's a major transshipment hub for the entire Caribbean. So the port is owned by two companies. CM, let me give you the correct name, CMA CGM Group, which is a French company, and China Merchants Port Holding. They own a minority stake in the Kingston Freeport Terminal. So the facility is managed by CMA CGM Group, a French company, and China Merchants Port Holding owns a minority share. Now, China says it does not have anything to do with the operations of the port. It's a minority shareholder. The port is operated by the French company. But because the US is stating that they are concerned about China's basically the security at the port. So the Jamaican government, along with the US government, is now doing a security review of the port. And that is why China put out this statement. So we're going to give you more information on what's happening here. The Chinese embassy has made it clear that China will defend the legitimate interests of its companies operating in Jamaica, following reports of a United States-backed security assessment of the island's major ports. The statement marks one of Beijing's strongest public responses to growing geopolitical competition in the Caribbean and highlights Jamaica's increasingly strategic position between two global powers. The security review, commissioned by the Jamaican government with support from the United States, will examine operations at Kingston Wharves, Kingston Freeport Terminal, and Montego Bay Freeport. The assessment is expected to review physical security, cargo handling systems, information technology networks, maritime operations, and workforce management, while recommending improvements that align with US and international security standards. The Chinese embassy stressed that it has no objection to cooperation between Jamaica and the United States. However, it warned that such cooperation must not undermine the lawful rights and interests of Chinese companies investing in Jamaica. China emphasized that although China Merchant Port Holding owns a minority stake in Kingston Freeport Terminal, the facility is managed by CMA CGM Group, a French company. According to the embassy, China Merchants does not participate in the day-to-day management of the port and therefore possesses no threat to Jamaica or any other country. Despite this assurance, Beijing delivered a firm message, declaring that it will continue to take all necessary measures to protect the rights and interests of Chinese companies in Jamaica. The statement signals that China intends to safeguard its investments as strategic competition with the United States intensifies. China's latest statement sends a clear message. It welcomes cooperation between Jamaica and the United States, but it will firmly defend the investments and commercial interests of Chinese companies operating in Jamaica. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.